Now we go one step further and we connect our inner being with the surrounding world and invite those energies to penetrate us and to enliven us from within. We start from the heart. From the heart, we slowly connect with the earth underneath us, and that brings us forward. We build in our back, with our arms, a bowl, opening to the space behind. Now we use our toes and pull them a little bit up to invite energy to stream up from below in us to our chest, widening us from within. We let go our arms, they rise up by themselves, and we turn the hands, looking into the space of left and right. And then we bring our hands down, we invite this space to sink down in us, from head through the body to the feet, which slowly brings us forwards again. And the chest feels wide and fulfilled from within and not restricted by the arms at all. These movements are slow because we try to do not to do them with the physical body, but with our streaming body. So we stream down, and this brings us forward. We build the bowl with the energy and forces of the earth like a crystal to receive the light from behind. We use our toes to create energy streaming up within us. We let go and turn our hands with interest towards the left and right space and invite these spaces to slowly come down and feel the space within us which we had just created. And it ends forward just by itself. Hope. Addressing something higher than us. Let go. Ooh. Receiving warmth and light from above, within the body. One last time. Hope. Ooh. And again, take a few seconds just to relax and to listen to the resonance in your body. The bending forwards and backwards, you can try that you not do it yourself, but that just the flow you are creating is bringing you forward, bringing you backwards, and bringing you forwards again.